Hey everyone, Nick Doucette here at Bruce Kia. Do you have any major vacations planned for the summertime? Well, this Kia Sportage is built just for you. With amazing cargo space and a great towing capacity, you can do pretty much anything with this Kia Sportage. As well, this one being the X-Line trim, it has a rugged outdoors look with an improved front grille, a blackout effect. There's no chrome whatsoever on the vehicle. So come on in. We're at 150 Stars Road, Yarmouth, or you can give us a call at 902-749-2300.